2024 Toyota Tundra Bedliner by TripleAliners. Got that coming up next. Bill from Tundra Nation Basics here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. One of the first things that I was on the hunt for, accessory-wise, after I picked up my 2024 Toyota Tundra was a good bed liner, and I was having a very frustrating time. Well, TripleAliners approached me to go ahead and test their bed liner. So let's go ahead and take a look at the product description and information on Amazon, and then we'll take a look at how I unboxed it and got it set up in the truck. Okay, here is the description on Amazon. It says truck bed mat compatible 2022, 2023, 2024 Toyota Tundra accessories, CrewMax 5.5 vehicle bed mat, perfectly flush, all-weather protection, TPE, heavy-duty pickup, cargo bed mat. Okay. It does have a raised edge wall around the perimeter of the bed liner, which is wonderful. And we'll see that here in a minute. And it does fit on my 2024 without any issue whatsoever. It really is a perfect fitment. And the company is called TripleAliners. They do have a store out here on Amazon, and I am going to drop a link to this in the description. Please note our product is folded in the package. Please leave the mat in the sun and on a flat surface for a day or 2 days, not exposed to direct sunlight, or rinse it with hot water to remove wrinkles and creases, and the mat will return to its original shape perfectly. It's easy to clean. It's full protection for the bed and prevents items from sliding around. It's real nice. It has that kind of surface where items are not going to go slide around on there, and it does protect that surface very well. And there's a video with that as well. We're going to go ahead and take a look at what I did to set the bed liner out in the sun to get it to go flat, and then we'll take a look at the bed liner in the truck. Okay, I've just taken the bed liner out of the box. It was a pretty sturdy box, but you can see in the middle it is creased like the instructions said it would be. Now what I'm going to do first is we're going to take it outside in the backyard, and then after the sun moves out to the front, we'll take it out front. Now here it is in the backyard, and you can see it is pretty creased in the middle. Now let's go ahead and take it to the front yard. And what's nice is it's a nice flat surface, which really seemed to do the trick. And installation in the back of the Tundra was a piece of cake. It fit like a glove. It was perfect. I could not be more impressed with it. And one of the things I really like about it is items will not slide on this. It has a little bit of a raised surface, so whatever you set in there is not going to run around inside the bed of the truck. I really like that. And you can tell everything is perfect on it. They really did a great job with the fit and finish of this mat. It fits perfectly. I put the tailgate up. There's no problem with that either. I am very impressed with this mat. You can see it just fits absolutely perfectly. And we'll pick it up here and take a look and see, and you can see where it just absolutely fits hand in glove right over the original mat itself and provides excellent protection. As you can see, it was a rather easy process to get this in the truck and to get it set up. One of the things that I can advise you is not only to set it out in the sun, but setting it out in the sun on a very flat surface will expedite the time that it takes for the mat to get ready. Question of the day: what did you think of 2024 Toyota Tundra Bedliner? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to drive.